Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the best-selling book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and how he built his wealth. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Kiyosaki shares his experiences growing up with two dads, one who was poor and one who was wealthy, and how he learned the secrets to building wealth from his wealthy dad. Kiyosaki's book has sold over 32 million copies worldwide and has helped countless individuals achieve financial success. In this video, we will explore how Kiyosaki built his wealth and what you can learn from his strategies. So, let's get started. Kiyosaki's early life. Robert Kiyosaki's rich dad was a significant influence on his life and taught him valuable lessons about entrepreneurship and investing. Kiyosaki's rich dad owned several businesses and invested in real estate, which inspired Kiyosaki to pursue his own ventures. After serving in the United States Marine Corps, Kiyosaki used his education and experience to build his own wealth, following the principles he learned from his rich dad. Kiyosaki's early experiences with entrepreneurship and investing set him on a path to financial freedom and inspired him to share his knowledge with others through his books and other ventures. Kiyosaki's business ventures. After the success of his wallet business, Kiyosaki continued to invest in real estate, eventually building a portfolio of over 4,000 units. He also started a financial education company, Rich Dad Company, which offers courses and seminars on personal finance and investing. Kiyosaki has also authored over 26 books, many of which have become bestsellers. His success in various industries has helped him build a net worth of over $100 million. Kiyosaki continues to inspire and educate individuals on how to achieve financial freedom through his books, seminars, and other ventures. Kiyosaki's investment strategies. One of the key principles that Kiyosaki learned from his rich dad was the importance of investing in assets that generate cash flow. Kiyosaki believes that true wealth is created by owning assets that generate passive income, such as rental properties, stocks, and bonds. Kiyosaki also believes that it is important to invest in assets that appreciate in value over time. He recommends investing in real estate as it is a tangible asset that tends to appreciate in value over time. Kiyosaki also recommends investing in stocks and bonds, as these assets have historically provided solid returns over the long term. Another investment strategy that Kiyosaki recommends is investing in yourself. He believes that the best investment you can make is in your own education and personal development. By constantly learning and improving yourself, you can increase your earning potential and build wealth over time. Lessons you can learn. Kiyosaki is not afraid to take risks, but he always does so in a calculated way. He recommends doing your research and making informed decisions when it comes to investing and starting businesses. By following these principles, you can increase your chances of building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Robert Kiyosaki is a true inspiration when it comes to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. By following his principles and strategies, you can increase your chances of success and build the life you've always dreamed of. We hope you found this video helpful, and we encourage you to continue learning and growing as you embark on your own wealth-building journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about building wealth and achieving financial freedom, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.